Experience hassle-free floor cleaning with powerful tools designed for shine and efficiency. The best electric mops combine strong scrubbing action, smooth maneuverability, and user-friendly controls, helping you clean hardwood, tile, and laminate surfaces with less effort while achieving consistently polished, streak-free results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Steam Electric Mop. The Shark Steam Electric Mop is designed to make floor cleaning effortless while delivering professional-grade results. Its powerful steam system combines a strong, targeted steam blast with rotating mop pads, providing up to twice the stain removal of traditional steam mops. The Steam Blaster feature allows pinpoint cleaning for tough spots, while the automatic scrubbing mop head delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, effortlessly gliding across floors. Users can choose from 3 steam modes: light for quick touch-ups, normal for everyday cleaning, and deep for stubborn messes, ensuring the right level of intensity for every job. LED headlights enhance visibility, revealing hidden debris in corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. The large removable water tank provides extended cleaning time without frequent refills, adding convenience to its efficient operation. In addition to removing dirt, this steam mop sanitizes by eliminating 99.9% of common household bacteria using only water, making it a healthier cleaning choice for homes with children or pets. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Shark Steam Mop reduces strain on the user while ensuring spotless results. Its combination of targeted power, effective sanitization, and user-friendly design makes it an ideal cleaning solution for busy households looking for fast, thorough, and hygienic floor care. Number 2. Bissell Washable Electric Mop. The Bissell Washable Electric Mop delivers deep cleaning without the need for manual scrubbing, making it a time-saving tool for any household. Equipped with powerful corded spin technology, the mop's machine-driven pads lift sticky spills, dried stains, and everyday dirt effortlessly. It is safe for all sealed floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum, protecting surfaces while maintaining a thorough clean. The on-demand spray function ensures that Bissell formula is applied exactly where needed, avoiding wasted solution while enhancing cleaning efficiency. Lightweight and easy to handle, the swivel head reaches under furniture, along baseboards, and around corners without bending or straining your back. The mop comes with 6 washable pads and 3 travel-size cleaning formulas, providing enough supply for 6 complete cleaning sessions before washing or replacing pads. Its user-friendly design emphasizes convenience without compromising performance, making regular cleaning less of a chore. The mop's ability to deliver consistent results on multiple surfaces, combined with reusable pads and practical cleaning formulas, ensures both efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Overall, the Bissell Washable Electric Mop is a reliable choice for those seeking a safe, lightweight, and versatile cleaning solution that tackles everyday messes while keeping floors spotless and protected. Number 3. NARWAL S30 Pro Electric Mop. The NARWAL S30 Pro Electric Mop offers an advanced cleaning experience by combining vacuuming and mopping into one powerful, cordless unit. With 20,000 PA suction, it tackles wet and dry messes in a single pass, from muddy footprints to spilled cereal, delivering spotless results across any hard floor. Its built-in scissors and dual comb system prevent hair tangles, keeping the rollers smooth and efficient without manual intervention. The S30 Pro's self-cleaning system uses heated water to sanitize the mop, while detergent is automatically dispensed and the roller spins in multiple directions, ensuring every bristle is cleaned. The built-in heating bar dries the mop quickly, leaving it fresh and ready for the next use. A disposable waste bag allows simple, hygienic disposal of collected debris without touching dirt or dust. Its low-profile design lies flat at 180 degrees and the handle swivels 63 degrees, making it easy to clean under furniture and around obstacles. Perfect for homes with pets or children, the S30 Pro reduces cleaning time and effort while maintaining a high standard of hygiene. It combines intelligent features, powerful suction, and versatile movement, making it a complete solution for modern, busy households. Number 4. Roborock F25 Electric Mop. The Roborock F25 Electric Mop is an all-in-one cordless floor cleaner that delivers versatility and efficiency across multiple surfaces. Designed for hard floors including tile, vinyl, hardwood, laminate, and luxury vinyl plank, it replaces multiple tools by combining vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing in a single device. With 20,000 pascals suction and 450 RPM spinning, the F25 effortlessly lifts pet hair, crumbs, and grime while handling daily messes and tough spills alike. Its dual-edged scraper and curved comb prevent tangles and clogs, ensuring a streak-free finish even in homes with shedding pets. The self-cleaning function uses 194 degrees Fahrenheit water and hot air drying to sanitize the roller brush, remove gunk, and prevent odors, reducing maintenance efforts significantly. At just 8.8 pounds, the F25 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a 180-degree lie-flat reach and 70-degree swivel steering to access corners, under furniture, and stair edges. Balanced weight and assistant wheels further reduce fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. By combining power, portability, and advanced features, the Roborock F25 makes floor cleaning faster, more hygienic, and less labor-intensive for any household. Number 5. VMAI 300ml Electric Mop. The VMAI 300ml electric mop provides a lightweight and hands-free cleaning experience, making it simple to maintain clean floors throughout the home. Weighing less than 3 pounds and designed with an ergonomic handle, it allows effortless movement upstairs, downstairs, and around furniture without back strain. Its flexible mop head rotates 180 degrees side to side and 90 degrees vertically, reaching under low furniture and into corners with ease. Equipped with an LED headlight, the mop ensures hidden dirt is visible and thoroughly cleaned. The built-in 300ml water tank supports on-demand spraying, allowing you to wet mop or apply wax for wooden floors as needed, controlled directly by the handle. The mop is compatible with a variety of surfaces, including vinyl, tile, hardwood, laminate, and marble. Assembly is simple, and the set includes 4 reusable microfiber pads for washing, scrubbing, and waxing. The cordless design, combined with convenient storage and no-touch pad disposal, adds practicality and hygiene to floor care routines. With its lightweight design, versatility, and effective cleaning features, the VMAI Electric Mop is an excellent solution for homeowners seeking a simple yet thorough cleaning tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.